Loop-de-loop. Looks like we're gonna do some more. Who are you? Every hero needs a companion. Thought I had a little doggy before. I want the real damage. There we go. Avoid the deadly lightning beam. Sheesh. You only need one wild true loop containing 4 commands to survive this level. Double check your indentation. So it looks like I have to go right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, and down. So we can go right, up, left, down. So we're just gonna keep going around.
Move up.
Oh goodness.
Move left. Move down. Move right. Move up.
It
Move
works.
left.
Because with the
Move
while
down.
loop, it's gonna continuously
Move right.
go. You don't have to put go right, go up, go left, go down, go right. You know, the while loop keeps it in a loop.